Okay, welcome to Paphos. I don't know if I said this to us. We were away for 2 weeks. As you can tell, I lost my voice a bit. Got a little bit cold. When we left Paphos 2 weeks ago, it was no rain at all. Now since we came back, last week it's been raining. As I saw from the forecast. Last night it was raining. We came yesterday, last night. I have some videos from the aircraft when we were landed to Larnaca, which I will post hopefully within the next 2 days. So don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Also gonna put a lot of videos we made in Georgia, DD. This video I'm recording now. It's January. What is the date tomorrow? January 14th.
Yes.
January 14th, Saturday, 2023. And I will try to upload it today without much edit. I'll just color correct a little bit maybe and upload it straight to the YouTube. Hopefully be available for view today or latest tomorrow. As you can see, the sky is full of clouds. We're expecting more rain in the coming days, in the upcoming days. But the temperature is still good actually. It's 16 degrees right now. Even if it was partially sunny, now full of clouds. Compared to Georgia, also it's still very hot here. I mean, in Georgia, DD was -3, and it's snow. It was snowing. I see some tourists around. It's been a good year so long. It looks like it continues to have tourists. Probably because of the last 2 years with the coronavirus, many people who couldn't visit Cyprus, they came this year. I mean 2022 and 2023. So now 22, now 23. Okay, my voice sounds terrible, so I'll try to mute my voice and let you enjoy the video. Nice, huh? Amazing sky, like always in Cyprus. After the rain, we get the sun blended with the sky. Give us some amazing drawings. The closed one, you see, completely, huh? No cars anymore, only pedestrians.
Because it's Saturday today.
No, they closed and changed things, I think.
They're changing the things there. They
Yeah.
close there. This is practical.
locations on the left. The Harbour area. This season will not stop. We'll keep going until next season.
What?
This season is going to keep like this until next season, I think. It depends on the weather also. If the weather gonna get very cold, might not attract so many tourists. But right now it's still good, even after the rain, it's still good. It's not so cold. 16 degrees is not hot. Cold. Stop it. Look at this area. The sea. Okay, thanks all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for videos soon, very soon. See you on the next one.